In this tutorial, the smoke sensor is integrated with Arduino. For this we require breadboard, Arduino Uno board, smoke sensor, jumper wires and power supply cable. Smoke sensor basically sends the smoke readings from environment. It has 4 pins: analog pin, digital pin, ground pin and VCC pin. Now let's integrate the smoke sensor on the breadboard. First of all, we will fix the smoke sensor on the breadboard. Now we will make common connections of breadboard with Arduino. We will connect the negative supply of breadboard with ground. Now we will connect the positive supply of breadboard with the 5 volt of Arduino. Now we will connect the analog pin of smoke sensor with the analog pin of Arduino. Now the ground pin of smoke sensor is connected with the negative pin of breadboard. Now the VCC pin of smoke sensor is connected with the positive supply of breadboard. Now we have applied the power to the Arduino. These LEDs basically shows that the Arduino is now powered on. This is the program for smoke sensor, in which the float sensor is initializes in order to store the analog values of smoke sensor, whereas the gaze value variable is also initialized. Void setup function only executes once, either when we apply power to the Arduino or when it resets. We use this function to configure the pins of the Arduino or to start communication protocols such as serial communication or any other action that we want to execute only one time. Whereas the void loop function is executed many times. It will be executed from top to the bottom. And when the code reaches the end of the function, it jumps back to start and runs again. The code in this function will be written which we want it to run continuously. In the void loop function, we have initializers the gaze value and we are storing the sensor values in the gaze value variable. We have then also given the command for serial printin gaze value, which will shows the gaze value readings on the serial monitor. We have given the delay of 2000 milliseconds. It shows that after 2000 milliseconds the readings from smoke sensor will be uploaded on the serial monitor. In void setup, we have initializers sensor pin as an input with the command of pin mode, and we have given the baud rate of 9600. After writing this smoke sensor program, we will compile it in order to see that either there are errors or not. Hence, the done compiling is showing that there is no any error found in this program. We will now upload the program on the Arduino board. This is the serial monitor which is showing the smoke sensor readings sensed from the environment. It is showed that the 9600 baud rate must be matched with the program in which we have initializes the baud rate. These are the different values that are sensed from the environment. Thank you for watching the tutorial.